Hello everybody, this is Jeff Janess and welcome to our 10th lab exercise in data types in ArcGIS Pro. This one's pretty cool. We're going to learn how to connect to an online data source. So much of our work involves loading up data that we've got on our hard drive. We got it from a colleague somewhere. It's on the company network or something. This one will show us how to dial into other data sets that are on other corporations' networks, just as if we were sitting there. So, first off, notice that when you open up a brand new project, these are the types of things that are connected to your project by default. Notice that there is not one here called servers. So we're going to add a server connection. Okay, now before we do that, let's just load in the LeBaron stands feature class. We're not using LeBaron stands for anything in this exercise other than it kind of gives us a place to focus in on, but I just want to have a common place we're all looking at. So let's go to add data. Let's go find LeBaron stands. It's in the class data folder. It's in the LeBaron subfolder. Here it is, LeBaron stands. Make sure you get the polygon feature class. Hit OK. There we go. All right, next up, let's start connecting to other people's servers. First one we're going to connect to is the National Agricultural Imagery Program, NAIP or NAIP. It's a really great data set. This version that we're going to connect to is, it doesn't have everything, but it's an easy one to connect to for a lab exercise. The best NAIP data, it also includes an infrared band in addition to the red, green, and blue bands. This version we're going to connect to for some reason doesn't have that. But you can usually find the full 4-band NAIP data if you do a Google search or if you go to the state providers of NAIP data. Anyway, let's go to the national NAIP data set. It is, let's see. All right, so first off we're going to hit the Insert tab, go to the Connections, go down here, and Server. This is the ArcGIS Web Servers. So we're going to go to the new ArcGIS server. That means we're going to make a brand new connection to an existing server. This doesn't mean we're creating a server, just creating a connection to a server. Hit OK. It's asking us for the URL to that server. You can type it if you want, but I've already typed it here, so you can just copy and paste this if you want. That's what I'm going to do. Pop it in here, hit OK. All right, we have created a server to somebody else's, we have created a connection to somebody else's server. Come back to our catalog view. You might notice that now we have this new folder that we didn't have before, the servers that we have connected to in our project. Here it is. And we can use this now to, when we hit the add data, we can go straight into this server and it takes us straight to their computer. All right, let's step forward here. Okay, let's just demo that. All right, so here we're back in our map. We're going to hit the add data. In our project here, now we have this servers section. So we hit server. Here's that server that we just connected to. Double click on it. Bang, we're looking straight into the USDA's computer system. We open up the NAIP folder and there's this image service called USDA CONUS Prime. This is the NAIP data for the continental United States. Hit OK. It brings it into ArcMap. And there it is. Just turns out as a 3-band image. Like I said, this is not the best version of it. There are 4-band images available, but for some reason not from the federal USDA site. But there it is. It's 1 meter resolution imagery. And it's taken roughly every 3 to 4 years. So you can get a little bit of history back through time if you want. But anyway, the cool thing here is that we have now connected straight to their server. All right, so this is a cool thing. Now, I want to demonstrate it with another data set that is really popular in ecological applications, the USGS topo maps. We saw that a little bit when we were playing with the tins in the last exercise. But if you remember, the way we got that data set before was that we had to hit the Add Data button. We went to the ArcGIS Online. We had to search for it up in ArcGIS Online. Well, all of that, yeah, it worked, but there's a better way. We can make a link to it that's much quicker to load. Turns out that USGS topo maps used to be in the standard set of Esri base maps, and we can connect to this web server that shows the standard set of Esri base maps. So let's just do that. We're going to add insert a connection, a server, and a new ArcGIS server. This time we're going to paste in this new path, hit OK. Let's come back to the Add Data button. Come to our servers. We see we have this new one that we just added. Double click on it. And these are the web servers that were available from ArcMap back in the pre-ArcGIS Pro days. I kind of like these a lot. I like that there's USA topo maps. So I can just go hit that, hit OK. It ought to bring it right in. And there we are, those beautiful topo maps that we use so much in ecological applications. Several others in here if you want. Come to the servers. We got the black and gray canvases if you want. Let's see, we got imagery. We got this National Geographic World Map. I think is a lovely map. National Geographic, their whole thing is making beautiful maps, right? So some of them look better at different scales. But if I wanted to say zoom to the extent of Arizona, I really like National Geographic. I think they just make beautiful maps, and they make nice backgrounds and base maps to all sorts of stuff. Okay, I believe that's... Oh yeah, one last thing. What we have done is added these web server connections right to our project, which is great while we're in this project. But in the future, if we want to be able to load up the National Geographic map or the US, the topo maps, well, we'd have to reestablish that connection again. And it's not awful, but there's better ways. So what I want to show you is I've come back to the catalog and our project servers. These are the two servers we've connected to. What we can do is right-click on that. Right-click on the server. We can do Add to Favorites, and it'll pop. Yeah, it'll be put down into our favorites. So now it'll always be available whenever we load up a new project. We could also, if you want, you could right-click on it and do Add to New Project. This is another way that every time you make a new ArcGIS Pro project, it'll always have, say, that particular server available. I'm going to do that because I just really like these Esri base maps. So I'm going to right-click on it, do to Add to New Projects. It also sticks a copy in the Favorites folder, but it should also show up automatically in any brand new projects. Okay, I believe that's it. Okay, so just for your homework, I just want you to take a screenshot of your map showing the nape imagery with the LeBaron stands. So what you do is you come back here. Let's zoom into LeBaron stands. Zoom to layer. Turn on the nape data that we connected to. All right, so just take a screenshot of that, paste it into your homework, and you'll be good to go. All right, thanks so much.